The returning officer of Shillong Parliamentary seat, who is also the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, S.C. Sadhu, along with the ARO's SP of East Khasi Hills and others, today inspected the counting centre for the Lok Sabha election at Polo, Shillong. Speaking to media after the inspection, Deputy Commissioner S.C. Sadhu informed that they have visited the counting centre and details about the law and order arrangement so that there are no untoward incident in the counting day and to ensure that only authorised people are allowed to enter inside. He also informed that a separate media cell is also arranged to ensure that the media can have access to information.
For the purpose of briefing all AROs and other stakeholders like media team, police, CAPF, which is guarding the entire strong rooms and this control center, our counting center, about various arrangements that we have made. And in fact, we have made elaborate arrangements for the purpose of counting, which includes the smooth counting of machines and postal ballot counting for all 7 districts will be conducted here, and also detailed law and order arrangements so that there should not be any untoward incident at the counting center, and to ensure that only authorized people are only allowed to be entered into the counting center.
The Hinyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization